Hey there, folks. It's me again, Christian, from Best AI Reviews. Back at it again with another exciting Pictory tutorial with its feature, Visuals to Video. Imagine being able to turn your photos and video clips into a stunning slideshow video with just a few clicks. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with Pictory, it's not. Trust me on this one. You won't be disappointed. Stay tuned because I have an exciting offer for you later in this video. Alright, first let me introduce this feature. We have not yet demoed it and it's going to be exciting. So this feature is for creating a slideshow video using images or video clips. Now all we need to do here is to click the Proceed button. So these are some files I just got from Pexels, and I will create some cool slides based on them. It's going to take a little bit to upload our files, but just let it do its thing. So now that we have added the files, let's click on the Proceed button. After uploading, it will take us to the template selection. We'll choose the simplest one. This one looks nice, so we're going to use it and choose the YouTube 16:9 for now. We're just going to give it some time to create our storyboard. Once it's done, it will take us to the Visuals tab. Now sometimes the scenes that we uploaded are not in order, so what we're going to do is to arrange our scenes according to our desire. Simply go to the Story View tab, click a scene, and drag and hold it to arrange it to your preference. We can also add text as well, so I just simply typed in here, "My first travel." So you can do that to all the scenes if you like. Now, if you don't like the scenes that you uploaded then, you can choose from the library to find a better visual. Let's say, for example, I want to change the visual for scene 2. Then I'll just go over the Visuals tab under Library and find a specific visual for that scene. Now I'll simply type in a keyword, then it'll show us these visuals. This one looks nice, so we're going to use it. Adding background music will also make our slideshow cooler. So what we're going to do is to add some by searching for a keyword, for example, travel. Now I'll play some by clicking this button and apply if I find the perfect one that matches the slideshow. You can also add voiceovers if you prefer, but we're going to leave it just like that. Now, if you want to add more customization to your slideshow, then I must say that you explore these tabs right here in the left corner, where you can find helpful tools such as adding customized text, elements such as emojis, GIFs, or stickers, styles or branding, where you can add custom intros and outros on your video. Another thing that I want to talk to you about is when saving our video, so we'll ensure to select a format and do 1080p to get that higher quality, which is always a good thing. Now the last thing that we're going to do here is the transitions. Click on this button to get a transition from scene 1 to scene 2. You will see what it looks like when you hover over it. Choose the transition you want, whether fade, wipe left, right, circle crop, or wipe up. So I'm just going to select it randomly and apply it to all the visuals, then we're good to go. Alright, that's just a quick example of how to create a slideshow. You can preview it before downloading the video. Overall, Pictory Visuals to Video is a slideshow maker for just about anything. You can let your imagination run wild with that, but it's easy to use. You add in your pictures or videos, throw them in, add text, audio, voiceovers, transitions, etc. Also, if you want to check out Pictory, I will leave my link down below where you can get a free trial and use the free coupon code BESTAIReviews36 and earn a 20% discount on your first subscription to Pictory. So what are you waiting for? Give Pictory's Visuals to Video feature a try today and watch your photos and video clips come to life like never before. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.